is good, YouTube? It's your boy Shaka252 back with another video. Man, today's video is gonna be super quick, and as promised, I said I was going to do the giveaway, finally do the drawing for the winner of the Vicrez Dodge Challenger Widebody kit. The Widebody kit, I believe, is for Challengers that are 2015 and up, or it may be 2014 and up or 2015 and up. So what I did here was I got commentpicker.com. Let me turn the phone this way. I went to commentpicker.com. I put in the link of the video. It filtered the comments, and I had 32 total comments, and I pressed start raffle, and it looks like the winner is FST Gatto TV. You are the winner of the Vicrez Dodge Challenger Widebody kit. So congratulations to you. A message on Instagram to the Shaka252 or the 392_Megatron. In the event that you don't respond to me, I'll do this again and pick another winner. But congratulations to FST Gatto TV. You are the winner of the Vicrez kit. Hit me up. I'll get all your information and I'll get it sent out to you. All right. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. All right. Peace.